everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video we're going to review Daily Advanced Ultra Hydrating Lotion from Cetaphil. This is not the regular Cetaphil hydrating lotion, this is Cetaphil DAM. So there have been two products in market right now. One is normal Cetaphil hydrating lotion and the other one is Cetaphil DAM. So today we're going to review Cetaphil DAM. Particularly they have recommended this one for combination in oily skin and that one for dry skin. Okay, so I'm going to start with the pricing, the ingredients, review, professional use, and then comparison between this lotion and the normal Cetaphil lotion. So in India this is priced at 435 rupees, which is approximately $5.85 US. Some of the main ingredients of this lotion is water, glycerin, shea butter, macadamia nut oil, vitamin E, Cetaearth 20 and more. For all the list of ingredients you can check out the description. I'm not going to include all of these in this video, but I will be mentioning all the ingredients in the description below. So starting off with its texture, so I've got the 100-gram product for 435 rupees. So the texture is amazing, the formula is amazing, it gets absorbed very quickly, it just gets into my skin or any skin. If you're new to my channel, you must know that I'm a professional makeup artist. I do work with a lot of studios and stuff. So for my professional use, this has been one product that has to be in my vanity. I just do not go for any other moisturizing cream or lotion in my vanity. This works for all types of skin. First of all, why do I include it in my vanity? First point, that my mentor, my teacher recommended it to me, and he said that this is one of the best lotions that I would need in my vanity, and that was very true. Second of all, I'm sorry for the noise. Second of all, it is non-greasy. I do not, if somebody has combination oily skin or even if there's combination to dry skin, I do not need any primer after it. This works as both as a moisturizer and a primer to the skin. It leaves the skin so nice, so hydrated, definitely not oily. It is amazing for all skin type. It is hypoallergic, so even if my client has some type of eczema going on, some type of acne issues, or a lot of products give acne issues, this works as the best layer for the skin. If the skin is very sensitive and not very used to products, all the makeup products can sometimes be overwhelming to the client. So I'm sorry I'm talking through a professional point of view, but that's how I know if a product works for everyone or not. So this is one product that works for everyone. This, you can find these mostly in medical stores, pharmacies, drug stores, because you know it tells a lot about the product. I always recommend sunscreens that you can find in medical stores or pharmacies which has SPF 50 plus. I always recommend to all of my subscribers and followers to get a sunscreen from a pharmacy. Even if you don't know one of the medicated sunscreens, just go to a pharmacy and I tell them to buy one of the medicated sunscreens. So this is one of those products which is very safe, is available in pharmacies. This is not one of those cosmetic products. You can use it on a very sensitive skin, acne prone skin. If somebody is facing eczema, this will never ever worsen your situation. This will always calm your skin. It is very nice. It gets absorbed very easily. This is not greasy. So one point is that if I'm layering up makeup, I do not want the client's skin to get greasy or oily. Also, it does not clog the pores. So this is like 100% recommended. If you have seen other videos on my YouTube channel, you must know I do not hype up products just like that until unless there's something good in that product. So now what can you pair up with? So just cleanse your skin, wash your skin, use a nice toner, either a niacinamide toner or something. If you're confused about what toner to use, you can check out all the toners on my channel. I use those professionally and personally, and then you can use a nice serum. I think there's a storm coming out and it's getting dark. So if you want to use a serum, if you have dry skin, I would recommend hyaluronic acid serum, or if you have oily skin, I would suggest a niacinamide serum. You can check out the serums as well on my channel. So wrapping up, how is it better from the normal, from the normal Cetaphil lotion? This one is more hydrating than that one. This is for oily to combination skin, but it works on dry skin as well. You just have to layer it up. That one does not work for me, neither for oily skin nor for dry skin. It leaves the dry skin more dry and it leaves the oily skin more oily. it's kind of greasy, it's not very quick absorbent formula. I also noticed that it's a little bit sticky. The formula is thick, it's not very spreadable, so I would not recommend that one, but I would definitely 100% tell you to go for this one. Please subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram. I keep on giving new updates, and I'm a professional makeup artist. You can go and check out my work, and lots of love to you. Please subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram, and bye.